How to place an order in Wendy's app. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can place an order in Wendy's app. So let's get started with the video. Firstly, open up your Wendy's application and make sure you are logged into your account. Here, as you can see, there are a lot of offers. You can simply choose any one of it, or you can simply order the food that you want. After you are done selecting the food which you want, you will be now directed to the final page with all of your bills and details of your order. After that, choose the option of payment and provide the method of the payment which you want to follow. And that's it. That is how you can easily place an order in Wendy's app. Thank you for watching this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Until then, see you next time.